it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm here with another cousin. This time, my cousin is Janine. So, Denise, we miss you, but you want to be a nurse, so you go to school and be a nurse, and we'll sit around and craft.
Yep.
So, you guys, we've seen that wreath that has the snakes all over it, and since I was doing worm/snake week, I thought that this would be a good ending to the worms, and then we get into a little bit of creepy crawlies because Halloween's your favorite, right?
Love Halloween.
See, she loves Halloween. There's people out there that love to decorate for Halloween.
Yep.
And you could do really well. I've seen some of her decorations. So we're gonna make the wreath with the little snakes. And then look at these big, huge snakes. We got 2 of them. So this will be a little bit different than those Pinterest ones. So we got 2 little creepy crawlies. And then we've got the wicker wreath from the Dollar Tree. All of that stuff you can get at the Dollar Tree. And then I always have black and white Krylon on hand. So there's a ton in here, so we're good. Let's see. I don't know if this is a little glossy, but that's okay. I was thinking maybe matte would be better, but that's all right. So we've got our heat gun going, and then I'm going to let Janine do it. Don't burn your fingers. So we're going to move that down so you can see. There we go.
You didn't say this.
So she was sitting here playing with it. So even though it's not black, you guys, this one grows 600 times if you put it like in a bathtub or something. We were thinking about putting it in the pool, but we decided to use it for our DIY. So the heat gun is good and ready to go. And go ahead. Go ahead and go for it, and I'll open up all the stuff for you.
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to look at the placement. And then I will glue accordingly. Start with the head.
She didn't know she was going to be doing this.
I didn't. She sprung it on me.
And be careful, don't hot glue yourself. I do it all the time. Oh, we're going to wrap it around. So, and these little guys, the wicker already looks like snakes. So that's kind of cool. And then just let your hot glue dry there. We're going to put a little bit more. Now are you going to hot glue the tail down too, or leave it kind of not wormy, but hanging?
I guess it depends on where it falls.
Okay. So this is kind of, it could also, we can make it like a headband, like a Medusa.
Oh.
Wear it around. Oh!
That would be cute. Like a little halo headband.
Right.
Okay. This is not sticking on there.
Okay. Let's see. I don't think I can do any better because you did a pretty good job there. So this just wants to kind of fall off. You need to really hold it in place, I think. So, and then we're going to do the same on the lower end with this large one. And then just kind of start gluing these. Is that the plan? Okay.
That's it. Go ahead.
I'll start doing this.
Because they're all going to intertwine and be...
Now these ones, we can just put it like on there and have it kind of the tail sticking out. because we know where that's gonna go, right?
Sure.
Is that right?
You can wrap them. You can do whatever you want. There is no right or wrong.
Look at that.
And he's not sticking.
No? Okay, we'll make him stick. And so they're going to intertwine. These little guys are sticking just fine. I wonder if it's because of what it's made of.
I don't know.
Mm,
It's kind of like a more of a foam.
more like a silicone. Oh, that might be why it's not sticking. We might have to use some E6000 for this one.
Okay.
So we're just going to glue on all of these little guys, and then we'll save this till the end since it's not sticking, because really it's not. It's kind of like a
I'll
silicone.
leave it on there so that we know
where it's going to go.
Yeah, we have an idea.
Okay. We're going to figure out how we need to glue this, because we may even just need to put it down with some zip ties or something.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yep. All right, so
Okay.
we'll fast forward so you guys could see us putting the glue on, or the glue and the snakes on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so we've got all of these little guys glued on. We decided to go all the way around, and then we're going to put these on there. It is kind of like a silicone, so it wasn't sticking as well. But we're going to go ahead and wrap these larger guys around the others. But we're going to use some little wire, what are these called? Pipe cleaner wires. So we'll just cut those. Just use where we need it, like here. Is that sticking through there?
I can't see. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, let me see.
You want me to hold it for you?
Sure. So we'll stick that through here so that it's not just wrapped all the way around. You see what I'm doing? Here, like this. So we're just gonna stick it right through there. And then that way, like, you can wrap this around. And then we'll cut. And it doesn't matter what color these are because we're gonna end up tucking them away and then painting it all black anyways. But these will tuck right back in there. Into those. You can't see it too bad. Okay. We're gonna do another one. And then if you can't find a spot for this to go in, go ahead and wrap it all the way around. It's not a big deal. It's gonna look like some kind of worm or snake regardless. And then just tuck that right back in. How you want to do that one? All right. You guys, this is really gross. I do not do creepy crawlies.
Not in real life, but fake ones.
Yeah, no, I don't do fake ones either.
But they're not realistic looking.
No. You could probably even make these into little snakes themselves.
I'm not that magical.
You don't think this is realistic looking?
No.
I don't like it. Alright, we're gonna need another one here.
I think it's creepy.
It is creepy.
But it's Halloween.
It is Halloween.
That's what you're supposed to do. on Halloween. I would never do a snake in real life.
No?
You would never catch me this close to a snake. Ever.
All right, so we've got that part down, and now we're going to take it and go and Krylon it, and then we'll be back. All right, we've spray painted it. It has dried, and now we're going to look at it. It is creepy. Look at that. Let me show it closer. Oh! Every time, every time. But look at that. See the snakes?
I like it in the gloss.
Yeah?
Makes it classy.
Very cool. I like it a lot. So if you like it, give Janine a thumbs up. This is her first YouTube DIY.
Yep. Yeah.
But not her last. While we were waiting for the paint dry, she's like, let's go get some spider webs. So she's got some new DIYs coming. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.